Ahoy adventure lovers, welcome back to Mango Reader. Today we are setting sail on a brand new journey with Ty's Travels. All Aboard by Kelly Starling Lyons. Ty is about to embark on an incredible ride and you are invited to join him. Are you ready to hop on board for some fun? Have you ever been on a fun ride like a train or a boat? Imagine being on an adventure with your friends traveling somewhere new and exciting. Well, today Ty is going on just such an adventure. So all aboard for some unforgettable fun. Before we start our journey, make sure to like this video if you love adventures and subscribe so you don't miss out on Ty's next big trip. Alright, let's get on board and start this exciting adventure with Ty. Who knows where we'll end up. My name is Ty. I love adventures. I wish my family would play. Daddy, will you play with me? In a while, little man, I'm cooking dinner. I walk into the living room. Mama, will you play with me? Not right now, honey. I'm folding clothes. Want to help? I race upstairs to my big brother's room. Corey, will you play with me? Sorry, Ty. I'm doing homework. I walk downstairs. I spot an empty box. I know just what to do. Time for fun. I climb inside. The floor is the track. The ceiling is the sky. I drive the train. I blow the whistle. Woo woo! My train rumbles slowly. Chugga, 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 chugga. Then it picks up steam. Clickety clack, clickety clack, clickety clack. As I get to the first stop, I spot someone waiting. Daddy! Daddy smiles and winks. All aboard! Our train rumbles slowly. Chugga, 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 chugga. Then it picks up steam. Clickety clack, clickety clack, clickety clack. Daddy blows the whistle. Woo woo! We fly by farms and ponds. At the next stop, someone smiles and waves. Mama! All aboard! Our train rumbles slowly. Chugga, 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 chugga. Then it picks up steam. Clickety clack, clickety clack, clickety clack. Mama blows the whistle. Woo woo! We dash through a city. At the next stop, someone smiles and points at me. Corey! All aboard! Corey blows the whistle. Woo woo! We chug across a bridge. We zoom into a tunnel. Mama and Daddy cheer me on. Check out the view, Corey says. We are on top of the world. As we get to the next stop, I smell something yummy. I know just what to do. Last stop, home. Time for food. That was such an awesome ride. Ty really showed us how fun it can be to go on an adventure with new friends and family and explore exciting places. All aboard for a great time. What about you? If you could go on any adventure, what kind of ride would you choose? A train ride through the mountains? A boat trip across the sea? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what your dream ride would take you. And guess what? Ty's got even more exciting adventures ahead. What do you think he'll be up to next? Stay tuned to find out. If you enjoyed this adventure, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you can hop on board for more fun with Ty in the full. And until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep having fun. Bye for now.